let's start the video. So, guys, the real PowerPoint presentation will be start from designing chap. Okay, so basically the file, home, insert, and there is one more a tab that's called a draw. Whatever we are learning before those tabs, these tabs already in my world. But from designing, whatever we are learning to over here slide, these tabs are very helpful me to a present. Okay, let me show a one by one how we can use that. First is called designing purpose. Okay, before to design, let me take a first slide because I need a one slide. Okay, now you already know the file tab, home tab, insert tab. Now let's jump to the design. Design tab are always help me to design my slide. You can see when I am clicking, it will be apply for only my slide. You can see when I am clicking over here, it will be apply for only my slide purpose. When I am going this arrow, there is a different kind of slide designing I have. What I am saying again, please concentrate. Design tab only use for my slide purpose. Okay, it's only applying background of my slide. Okay, you can see I'm checking a different kind of slide designing. If suppose I want more themes, more designing, I need to go to the this arrow and click over here. The extra designings are over here. Okay, now inside of that, if suppose I want a variant much different kind of color. You can see there is a different variant also. You can see if I'm going only a colors, it will be changing color. My design, my theme as it is, but only I am changing a color. Okay, this is the way I can design that. Now a slide size, always your slide size will be a wide screen 16:9. Okay, so this is our official slide. Now you guys having a doubt in your mind, suppose I want a blank page but only I want color, I don't want any kind of designing. How we can bring that? There is again way. Let me remove my this theme. The first, when we are clicking office theme normal, it will be a normal my page. Now I am trying to only give a page color. Okay, how we can do that? Just click over here, page background. Okay, after that we need to use a colors. Just go over here and take which color you want. Suppose I want a sky color, blue color, it's a blue color, it's apply. So there is a way. If suppose I don't want any kind of theme, I cannot take it. I can go directly with the colors. Okay. Okay, what exactly we done? We are applying design for our slide. Now, when I am going to my slide mode, I need to transaction. So transaction means what? One slide after second slide will come, right? So I want a something animation when a slide will be a change. So how we can do that? Using by transition. Okay, let me show you. Let me take one kind of something design. I want something this kind of design. Okay, and I don't want any background color. Let me remove a background color. I want only a designing. Okay, I'm removing background color. And after that, let me take another kind of one, two, three slides. Okay, if I want slide, I need to go to over here, taking a different kind of slides, two-way slide, something like that. Let me take another kind of slide. You can see comparison slide. So I'm taking a different kind of slide. So after one slide, I know I want to jump to the second slide, right? But when I am directly going over here, it's showing a normal way. When I'm clicking any button, it will be showing another, right? So there is no any kind of a transition after one slide after one that. So how we can do that? Let me add something for understanding purpose. Let me add over here logos or any kind of things. Inserting picture. I want suppose this kind of picture I'm taken. Suppose title, hello. Okay, I'm just randomly writing anything. Apart from I need something one again picture like pictures, this device and the this one like the picture. Let me insert for understanding purpose only, guys. Okay, again juju like that. Whatever I'm writing, I'm not thinking. Okay. So after one slide, I need to do a something transaction. Designing always we are using for designing our background of my slide. And after that, when I am adding something content inside of my slide, and when I am going to the present something, let me go to the present. You can see it's right now in normal mode, right? It's no any kind of transaction. So if I want any kind of a transaction animation for my slide purpose only, I need to go to transaction. There is a different kind of transaction. You can see if suppose I want flash type. So let me show you one. Suppose I want first one as an aeroplane type. See the aeroplane will be a come and this transaction will apply. When I am applying for one particular transaction for one slide, it will be showing like a star over here. You can see a second and third number. I didn't yet apply any kind of transaction. Okay, let me go to the second and applying some transaction like a split. So split transaction I am doing. You can see there is a one transaction sign is there. Okay. After when I am going again a third slide and let me do something cover slide like that. Okay. So this is applying my transaction. Again, I am sure saying you designing tab are only useful for my design of my slide, background design of my slide. After that transition tab, all are apply for my transition. Means after when I am going to the presentation, it will be a presenting one by my slide. That time there is a something transition, something animation. You can see it's right now I already apply. When I am going to the a slide mode, let me apply it. See there is a one plane. Okay, let me go to the second mode. See there is a something animation and third one is a animation. This all are animation only for my slide purpose. Okay. Now even whatever the transaction are done, I can do as a timer. I can set as a timer. You can see I'm going over here. There is a timer option where over here in transaction. Okay. Let me apply the timer. Even we can add a sound also. Let me add one by one sound. Suppose I want a um, which kind of clicking sound. Okay, I'm applying clicking sound and duration I want only 50. Okay, and when I'm mouse clicking it will be a okay mouse clicker I'm removing. Just say apply to all. So whatever I'm applying timing and sound, it will be apply for my all slides. Okay, for apply for all. Okay, and let me show you again transaction. See, one, two, see, it's automatically changing. Even I'm not clicking any button. So this is the way if I want to set any kind of duration time, it will be a playing automatically. I do not need to add. Let me show you again. Let me use a hours over here. Let me add. Suppose I want only a 1 minute time. 1 minute is too much. Let me reduce it. Okay, I can do like that. 50. Okay. After 50, it will be a change. Okay, let me do it again. Slide. See, see, it's automatically. I did not need to worry about that. It's apply for all. Let's go. Now, inside of slide, we are taking objects like the image, one kind of object. After that, this hello world. After that, this image, this one second image, even the third slide, Juju. These are all object. Right now, we didn't yet give the animation for object. How we can do that, the animation for our object? Go to the animation. Okay, click that particular picture or any object and just say there is animations. Okay, let me give to the wheel type of animation for this object. You can see. Let me go to the second slide and give to the hello. text as a something